Just 180.
Just 180.
So we also had one more option of 6080 where we can feed this bird only in the winters. We tried this and it gave an amazing feel. We also have this private access, only we were in the boat and we fed them. We had lots of happiness and lots of blessings. I suggest everybody to try this. Your budget friendly buddies, Mr. and Mrs. Ashik.
I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I